ngayon guys, let's go for swim. Hanapin natin saan dito may swimming yan.
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't. Cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me.
Lakas ng hangin. Woo! Tara, swimming na tayo guys. Medyo mainit ngayon yung tubig. Katanghalian tapat swimming natin eh. Kaya nandito yung pwesto natin. Kuubad lang ako ng medyas. Hindi ko alam gano'ng kalalim yung pool. But try na rin natin.
If I got a dollar every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive, life. If you hadn't run away every time I asked.
Bay gluta. Bilis ko yung ngalin. Hindi na so masyado nag-workout. Ngayon na lang ulit. Kulang na kulang tayo sa cardio. Hi!
You stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight. But you didn't know me, all you wanted was a game to play. And you couldn't handle that I had my ways. About your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. But you didn't win this, it's a part of the game.
Hindi nakabukas. Saksak. Start. Mag-work tayo. So, i-try na rin natin yung mga damit para hindi sila masyadong mabigat. Maghahanap tayo ngayon ng makakainan natin. Parang snacks natin for today. Open ground. And after nito, maghahanap kami ng McDo. Kasi ngayon, merong promo yung McDo na kapag may ER sa pangalan mo. May promo ngayon yung McDo na kapag yung may ER ka sa name mo, parang 25 pesos na lang yung burger. So, maghahanap kami sa labas ng kung saan merong McDo. And qualify kami sa sa promo nila ngayon. Ganda dito pag gabi, daming ilaw. Sarap dito, nakaka-relax. Ano, laging puno yung mga puan.
Parang ang linis niya, no? Parang ang linis niya.
Parang meron ding McDonald's, di lang namin makita. Pero sinearch kasi namin sa may search bar. Wala. Okay, nakita na namin yung McDo guys. Dito na tayo pasok. Pwede ba doon? Sarado. Out of stock guys. Di rin kami nakakuha. Sayang na sa oras. Meron kaming nag-download kami ng app. Tapos meron pang countdown timer. Tapos nung present namin sa may cashier, out of stock lang. Eh may countdown pa naman yung until 2 to 10 PM. Tapos wala, di kami naka-redeem. Kasi di naman nakalagay doon na until supply last.
Babe, no, you didn't win this. It's a part of the game.
Okay, dito tayo ngayon sa may 7-Eleven Gilmore. Kailangan natin ng water. Maghanap tayo ng water.
Now that I won, then it's safe to say, no, you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my way.
Kanina.
Alin? Bago naman.
Yeah, I bet you are joking. If you were me, you would do the same. Man, I really love to play.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Mambo. Ganap tayo ng lunch.